Hey everyone, Evernote versus Notion versus Obsidian. Which one is best in 2025? So, Evernote remains the go to for users who want simplicity, fast note taking, and reliable syncing. It's great for web clipping, document scanning, and managing tasks with minimal setup. Its AI search is much improved in 2025, but customization is still limited, and the free tier is quite restricted. And Notion is the power, and other hand, the Notion is the powerhouse for teams, individuals who want flexibility. It's an all-in-one workspace where you can build wikis, databases, calendars, and more. In 2025, its AI assistant had made page creation and task automation easier than ever, but it's not ideal for offline use and its flexibility can overwhelm new users. And on the other hand, Obsidian is for power users who value local storage, privacy, and markdown. In 2025, its plugin ecosystem is thriving. You can turn it into a second brain with graph users, views, backlinks, and advanced queries. It's lightweight, works offline, and you own your data. But there's a learning curve and no built in collaboration. So, the best Evernote if you want a fast, minimal note taking app. Notion if you want a customizable productivity hub with smart AI smarts, and Obsidian if you want full control over your notes, love tinkering. The right choice depends on how you think, work, and store information. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.